part 9 of the crochet butterfly top. In the previous video, I said to finish halfway through the 5th row. This is why we start decreasing. So you're going to count 5 from the bottom of the row, stop, turn your work, and slip stitch 5 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain up 3. Continue to double crochet all the way up. Insert 2 double crochets in that last spot. As you can see, we're starting to build the edge of the wing. Chain up 2, and same thing again, 2 double crochets in that first spot and 2 double crochets in the next spot. Flip your work, slip stitch into the second spot, slip stitch again in the third spot, chain up 3, 1 double crochet in that spot, 2 double crochets in the next, and keep going. Chain up 2 and insert 2 double crochets in the first spot and keep going until you have 5 left at the bottom of this row. Flip your work and slip stitch into the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth double crochet. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain up 3 and double crochet all the way. A reminder to put 2 double crochets in that last spot. Chain up 2 and 2 double crochets in that first spot, 2 double crochets in the second spot. So you're going to need to crochet 130 to 180 chains. This part needs to be a little bit longer because it's going to tie around your back.